The San Miguel program would like to announce that we are now proud owners of 245 Renwick Street.
Owning the building sends a message to everyone in the community that we're here to stay.
There can be a lot of instability in our students' lives, but now that we own the building, we can be even more of an anchor for them, their families, and the community of Newburgh.
There was a dream pre-COVID, which was we would renovate the building, and that kind of came to a halt. But we don't want to wait any longer to provide the facilities that the kids need.
The STEAM Learning Center, a fabrication center, robotics, virtual learning, giving them the opportunity to learn hands-on opens their mind to possibilities they've never been able to imagine before. The Graduate Support Center, the Athletic Center with a basketball court and rowing center. The rowing program has been so essential to the transformation of our students, which also creates a lot of opportunity for young students of color when it comes to scholarships and school acceptances.